Oh man, what's good, man? This your boy Malcolm Curry, aka Bandaloo, bro.
What's good? What's good? You know, CJ, aka Chester Jones. What's up?
Yeah, man. Yo, we here to talk to y'all about this mixtape that we about to drop from adding on the add-ons from the 5 songs that we already got out there right now.
Yeah.
You probably done heard them. Beat It, Legendary,
My Life.
My Life, 500 Bottles, Bandaloo Party, Winning all those. Yeah. So this weekend coming. Actually, no, this weekend coming. Go get that mixtape. It's gonna be on thatpiff.com. We don't know what we're gonna call it yet. I don't know if it's gonna be the same picture of the ones that's already out there. So
Probably not.
Probably not.
Probably not.
Shit. But yeah, make sure y'all get that, man. And the LPG right there, man. That stands for Living Past Greatness. It's a movement that we doing for all people that wanna, come clean up the rap game, try to change it for ourselves, cause we the new generation and everything. So
Yeah, man.
yeah, we the dependents, you feel me? Not that Little B stuff.
No. I mean, come on now.
For
We
real.
tired of it.
We
I know
tired
y'all
of
tired
it.
of it. No, y'all tired of it. But yeah, man, we you know what I'm saying, we're just trying to make it big out here. We got, some new artists about to feature on our mixtape. Shout out to Austin Coves,
Austin,
Vontae,
Vontae,
you know what I'm saying, Tay, what up,
Kane,
my boy Jay. So we about to try to do this big.
But hey, yo, what about your cousin that seen, bro?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to get my cousin Demar, bro. This nigga can blow, bro.
For
I
real,
swear,
bro.
He can
Can
blow.
blow.
So yeah, we talking about singing, no homo.
Yeah, we talking
No
about singing.
homo.
Yeah, get your
No
mind out
homo.
the others.
No homo. Talking about singing. But what we are looking for, we have a couple of contracts. We are looking for 2 females that can either rap or sing. It don't matter. We looking for some female rappers or singers.
Yeah.
So if you're trying to,
You gotta be cute.
yeah, pretty much. I mean, come on now. You're putting up a presentation.
For
You're
real.
representing LPG.
For
come
real.
on. But
There you go.
you know how it is, y'all. Hit up your boys. You know what I'm saying. I don't really do Twitter much, but hit me up anyway. At CJ So Savage. Hit up my brother.
Yeah, at Malcolm Bandaloo. If y'all know how to spell Bandaloo, BANDULU.
Yeah, you already know what it
Yeah.
is. But let's go ahead and tell them about how we made our song, bro. Like,
Oh yeah, man.
let's start off with Legendary.
Legend.
We see on YouTube that they got the most views
Yeah.
out of
And the most views in the quickest time. Like
Yes.
it was up there 2 days and it was already hitting 88 views. And I made a song before called Bandaloo Party. It's been up there for a month and it just hit like 90 views last week. So I know y'all feeling legendary, bro. So yeah, man.
so,
Appreciate the love for that one. Man.
Appreciate the love. Appreciate
For
the
real,
love.
man.
I mean, how we did with Legendary, we got done with that, believe it or not, right before we were going to the studio.
For real.
Right
man.
before we were going
Right
to the
before.
studio. You know
All
what
our
I'm
songs basically done right before we went to the studio,
It's
man.
like-
and studio, man, shout out to Rick Ruckus.
Rick,
Yeah.
shout out, bro.
Yeah, man.
But it was like, we got to the booth, we did our verses, forgot to do a chorus. So I mean, that's why you hear a 2-line chorus.
Yeah.
It's really not even a chorus. It's like a big ad lib in place form.
But
But
you hear me in the background trying to
be
be
legendary.
legendary.
But yeah, you know how it is. We just let's see with Beat It. You know what I'm
Playing
saying?
around, trying to experiment. We did that jump less than an hour. You feel me? So that was just seeing how quick we can do something. Hey, but I ain't gonna lie, bro. We snapped in that too.
Yeah,
we snapped on
we
it.
did.
Yeah,
I like
man.
that. I like that.
500 bottles.
500.
Yeah, that one right there for them ladies though.
That was for y'all, man. You feel me?
real.
Like, I mean, those who like to party, love to get drunk. I mean,
Yeah, look, man, don't be ashamed though. We all take a little drink here and now and then, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, then we got My Life.
My life,
Man.
That just basically told our story to y'all. Just
For real.
listen to the song.
Yeah, you gotta listen to the lyrics on that
Just
one.
listen to it. We just,
Oh yeah, shout out to the beat maker on that one, my cousin O'Brien.
Yeah.
Shout out.
Shout out, bro.
There going, then there going, if you want shout outs. There going, shout out to our mothers.
Yes.
Shout
our
out to your
biggest-
dad, man.
Yes.
Yo, shout out to your dad for hooking us with a show up in VA. February 22nd, maybe somewhere around there. It's like
Well, just know it's saying February, you
Yeah.
feel us, so hit us up.
Yeah, we probably make a video right before that one. Before we do that. Well, and then man, shout out to Bottom Music Radio.
Shout out to y'all, bro.
Yeah, man. Hey, follow them. Like, go on my my Twitter. Look at my followers. They're the last couple of people that follow me. Yeah, man. Shout out to Moon too, man. On there, he doing his thing, yo. Shoot, who else? Shout out to everybody at East Forsyth, though.
Shout out to y'all.
Yeah,
we want to give special shout outs to our very own teacher, Mr. Matt.
Boy,
he is like our big supporter at East.
Yeah, he don't even like rap music, and he listen to us though. You feel me? Like that. Yes. That's crazy right there, man. And you feel me? Because like, it feel real good. Like you know, we not big like that, but like to go around and hear people like singing our songs, listen to our songs, talk about it, bro. That's a real good feeling. You feel me? Mm-hmm. So man, yo, if y'all watch this video, man, comment on it. Like if y'all ain't got no account, it take less than 3 minutes to make an account.
Yeah.
Please comment on it, like it, or something. You know, we gonna put on Facebook. I know everybody got a Facebook. Go like it on Facebook. Mm-hmm. So yeah, man. Oh, my Facebook, Malcolm Bandaloo Curry. Just type in Malcolm Curry. I spell it the same way Malcolm X spell it. So
Chester Jones, you know, hit me up. It's just me and my brother in the picture. You feel me? But also though, what I really want to do, I want to give a shout out to my brother though. But we've been through this. We've been through this since sixth grade, trying to do nothing but get this music out. Like it ain't. Right, like he been there through with me through all the days. You feel me? All our lame songs, the best songs we done did.
Yeah, man. If I want to hear our lame song, y'all got to come to us personally about that. Don't let do people in here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But yeah, man. I'm a demon. Who's that? Yeah, man. Hey, yo, man. Shout out to you too, love, bro. You know what I'm saying? Really love. You know what I'm saying? Like people on TV, you can't let them see this shit. That part out.
But anyway, yeah, man. Just hit us up. We're trying to bring Trafe on the map, and if you can take us anywhere, you can help us. Yeah, anywhere.
Yeah, man. Contact us. I would get my phone number, but I don't want y'all stalkers calling and now they y'all some cute girls, but you know, look, hey, man, ladies, man, you feel me?
I mean,
for real, that's all we do, man.
They don't call me Casanova Jones for nothing.
For real, you know what I'm saying?
Come on, man. But yeah, just hit us up whenever. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's basically about it.
Basically.
Hey, so we out, yo. LPG, living past greatness, man.
Living past greatness.
Remember
LPG.
that.